Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering.
What's up guys, Mike Starwalker here, and today we are going to unbox an Nsaber. This is a crossguard Neopixel, you know, heavily inspired by Kylo Ren. I don't know about you, but say what you want about the sequel. That first trailer we saw in The Force Awakens when the dude walks out of the Force, we don't know who he is, and he turns on that crossguard. That was pretty hype for me. So this is a pretty cool saber to get. You know, my uncle at the time was saying that he thought that was Luke Skywalker, and I was like, there's no way that was Luke Skywalker. But anyway, let's start unboxing this Nsaber. Alright, this is what we got going on. Oops. SNV4. This feels kind of like Jedi Survivor. When you get the crossguard, it's like the long sword, and it's really, this seems to have that kind of feel. I'm excited to get swinging this around. But okay, so you have to put on the crossguards themselves. And you just simply screw them on, it seems like. Nice. Kind of sounds like a sword. Oh yeah, dang. You know what? I didn't think this was gonna feel this cool. It actually, because I've like seen the pictures and stuff, it feels much cooler in your hand than just looking at it. The grip is really thin right here, which is nice, very maneuverable. But then on the top, it's like kind of heavy. It's got a cool kind of feel to it. This should be pretty interesting to deal with. Oh, let's see, this screws at the bottom. Probably is for your charger. Yeah, charge it on that side. SD card on that side. It's an SNV4, so it can do all the stuff. Oh, this should probably be a loud one, because check this out. Speaker's got about that much length to resonate. I think that's gonna end up being super loud. Shall we hear it?
Oh,
yeah, that seems pretty loud. Yeah, this is really loud. No, this feels awesome. This feels awesome. And it's like all long, sturdy. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. This is pretty awesome. So, what else is in here? You got your charging cable and Allen key and retention screws in a bag all together. You got your Neopixel blade right here. Oh, and your little baby Neopixel blades. That'll go in the side there. Manual. Did you get that? Did you read all that? There you go. And your stand display. Display stand. Okay. And the blade plug. And that's it. And your fancy gloves if you want to be that delicate with it, but I'm definitely... Of course you gotta have that. Kylo Ren stomps into the Force. Yes! That's like where this originated from, I think, with the Saber companies, how they like have that like turn on like this. I don't think anybody did that in a movie until him. If you can think of someone that did the turn on their saber angrily like this before Kylo Ren, write it in the comments. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I don't think there is one. Also, like, I'm kind of curious, guys. If you're a sequel fan, let me know in the comments. Other people, everyone can have their opinions. I'm just curious to our community here. Generally, like, I don't see people that are into the sequels as much, I think. Let me know in the comments below. There's no hate. I'm just curious who's out there doing what, you know? Let me put in the blade now. Put in the blade in. Oh, you gotta put the... You know, sometimes I wish, after you do a certain amount of unboxings, you kind of wish they already had the retention screws. You gotta fish it out of the bag every time. See what you got. Long sword, little baby blades. All right. Yeah, I'm seeing it on camera. Even though I just got this new camera, it does just look cooler in person. I don't know what it is. Something on the, it's just something about the shape of it. It's definitely cooler in person. But yeah, let's check this out. Oh yeah. Let's check out these sound fonts. Oh, starting in with the rainbow blade. Look at that. Sick. Yeah, so 4 blinks changes the sound font. It's like a greenish blue. This is a really light blue. It looks awesome in person. I don't know if the camera's quite picking it up. It's almost coming across like white or silver. Smooth swing is dope. Kenobi. Oh, nice red. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, nice blue. With the crossguard saber, long sword with a blue. That's pretty sick. It is super loud because of that chamber. I'm definitely having to yell. Oh man, yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And you will be able to duel with this, I feel like, because there is like a decent amount of blade depth here. As long as the Neopixels have a good amount of blade depth, you can hit them fairly hard. A lighter blue. Sick. Oh, it's changing colors. Cool, yellow. Ooh. I like that one. I like that sound. This is pretty much pink. Yeah, I wouldn't even say this is a little bit purple. This is completely pink. Let's see. We can change colors, I think, when we go like this. Oh, cool. With a rotation. Sick. Wow. This can do so many things. SMV can do so many things. Satisfying clash. Sounds great.
Can't touch this.
Oh, I love this blue. This is a very nice, like, pure blue. Oh, green looks nice, so. Inquisitor. Ooh, a nice yellow. That's awesome.
Tell me, is this training? My training? No. Always training. The universe is.
Nice green. Ooh. Yeah, nice powerful green.
Master Windu.
Alright, there's a purple. There's your purple. Oh yeah, I could just be doing that the whole time.
I am told
I'm told that this is the dark saber. Sound fun. It's so cool, man. Dude, imagine you're at like a rave with this thing and you're just like...
Master Money.
Really like the hum on this one. It's very pure.
Brilliant balls.
The swing is nice. I will say it's got a really nice feel to it. Even if you're not a huge Kylo Ren fan, if you're a longsword fan, you might want to pick one of these up because it's got that same kind of feel of a longsword. We've done some sword work as well. We have like stage combat swords we've done videos with. I've done a Zelda film, and this to me has the feel of a longsword. So this is definitely going to be something fun to try out at the gym because it's got a whole different feel to it, so I can't wait to see how it does with some choreography. And yeah, like I'm not worried about it. It should hold up, but we'll see. Oh, I didn't see that one. Yeah, go ahead.
Remember,
hit him around a little bit.
Concentrate on the moment. Don't use your instincts. Remember, concentrate on the moment.
So at one point the retention screw that holds the crossguard in place came a little loose. Once we tightened it up, it was all good to go. I'll probably get some Loctite for that screw because we hit these really hard.
Remember.
Why?
Concentrate on the moment.
I'm not gonna kill you, but I could.
Use your instincts. Concentrate on the moment. Feel, don't think. Use your instincts. Don't think. Use your instincts. Concentrate on the moment. Don't think. Use your instincts.
So my final thoughts on this saber, pretty freaking awesome. If you're a Kylo Ren fan or a longsword fan, I would definitely pick one of these up and try it out because it's just got a whole new feel to it that other sabers just don't have. I got the link in the description below, and make sure you use code STARWALKER and you'll be helping support our channel and all the fan films we make and all the content from the channel, really. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and may the Force be with you. Doesn't that just look cool? Well, not when you don't do it right, but